Heilongjiang Province, the most northeast part of China, when viewed on a map, has the shape of a swan. Its capital city is Harbin, which is located south of Heilongjiang. Having the most bitterly cold winters among major Chinese cities, Harbin is heralded as the ice city for its well-known winter tourism and recreation. Harbin is notable for its beautiful ice sculptural festival. Harbin Engineering University was founded in 1953. It offers over 150 degree programs, 48 of which are conducted in English. Designated a Project 211 universities, HEU is billed as a top institution for engineering and marine projects. HEU funds an increasing number of teachers to study, teach, and cooperate abroad annually. In addition to this, a group of outstanding students is chosen to participate in exchange programs with famous international universities.
The one thing that comes second to my study in HEU is getting an in-depth knowledge of Chinese culture. HEU is the perfect spot if any student hoping to have this experience. Right at the entrance of the school, there is a Confucius Center where students can visit for free. The school has made provision for Chinese traditional instrument learning, calligraphy, and much more. If any student wishing to mix things up a little bit, there is also a classical piano classes for anyone interested.
The dormitory is a 13-story block that has hallways running down each floor with doors on each side. They have, especially for things like Dragon Boat Festival and other Chinese festivals, teachers will often come and bring the students through how to prepare certain traditional dishes and have certain cooking lessons, and that's been a real help. That's been something that I feel that our school provides more of a cultural experience for each of the students. If I could summarize my experience living in the foreign student dormitory, I'd have to say it was one of learning. When I first arrived, it was hard for me to make friends. It was a time of adjusting, but the apartment really made me feel warm and welcome, and I was able to meet people of like-mindedness and study and play sports and have all kinds of activities with the new friends that I've made at the dormitory. I felt no desire to get my own apartment, but I felt like being a student, having the identity of a student, it's best to stay in the foreign student dormitory where I could study, focus, and feel like I was really part of the university.
The study condition of the HEU is the best any student could ever wish for. The study area spread all over the campus. Also, the school can boast of the biggest and the most resourceful library in this province.
Being in Harbin Engineering University as a civil engineering curriculum student, the first thing I observed is the extra attention you receive from teachers during studies. All nationalities are fairly represented in school activities, making all students have an understanding of the world in a way that can only be experienced in an international environment like HEU.
Since 2000, HEU students have included nationals from Canada, Korea, Russia, Japan, Pakistan, Thailand, Nepal, India, the United Kingdom, Australia, Africa, and the United States.
Karibuni katika chuo kikuu cha uhandisi Harbin.
Harbin 공정대학교는 여러분을 환영합니다.
Bem-vindo ao HEU.
ยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ HEU.
ต้องสวัสดีลูกเนี่ยมาการ Harbin Engineering University.
Инженерия экспорт Хавтемнер. Вітаю вас у Харбінському інженерному університеті.
Добро пожаловать в Харбинский инженерный университет.
ข้าเป็นคนลาวยินดีต้อนรับสู่โรงเรียน Harbin 工程大学
Harbin Engineering University में तुम्हारा स्वागत है.
Hoş geldiniz Harbin Engineering Üniversitesi'ne.
आप सबको Harbin Engineering University में खुशामदीद.
Universities at home and abroad, as well as academic institutions, are welcomed to visit and establish cooperative relationships.